Welcome to the Scientific Publications channel. In this video, you will learn what academic co-authorship is, how it differs from the individual publication, when it is more adventurous to write an article independently, when co-authorship genuinely straightens a study, and why the choice between these two formats directly affects timelines, quality of work, financial costs, and your overall academic outcomes. An individual article is a publication that a researcher prepares independently, retaining full control at every stage, from the initial idea and research hypothesis to journal selection and editorial correspondence. The advantage here is evident. You determine the structure, set your own pace, choose your analytical approach, and remain entirely independent. However, there is a significant drawback. The entire workload falls on you alone. You must conduct the analysis yourself, format the manuscript in accordance with the journal's requirements, produce high-quality academic English, navigate the peer review process, and handle all technical aspects of the publication procedure. If time is limited and submission deadlines are fixed, this format may prove excessively demanding. The advantages of co-authorship. Co-authorship refers to the collaborative work of two or more researchers on a single academic article. This format is particularly valuable when a study requires a diverse range of competencies. For instance, one author may excel in theoretical frameworks, another in statistical analysis, and the third in the particular component of the research. As a result, the quality of scientific article increases. Furthermore, co-authorship allows for a more efficient distribution of tasks, reduces the time required for manuscript preparation, and enables authors to share financial costs where a journal charges an article proceeding fee. This is precisely why co-authored publications are so prevalent in Scopus and Web of Science Index journal. Which format is better to choose? It is important to recognize that co-authorship doesn't work universally or with every collaborator. The primary risks include disputes over authorship order, unequal distribution of responsibilities, missed deadlines, and nominal participation without a substantive contribution. If these issues are not discussed in advance, collaborative work may not accelerate the publication process. It may, on contrary, complicate it. The question, therefore, is not which format is better. The question is which format best suits your particular objectives. If your priority is to demonstrate a personal academic contribution, your topic is relatively specialized, and you are prepared to manage the entire process independently, then individual authorship may be the appropriate choice. If, however, your goal is to straighten research, accelerate manuscript preparation, share the workload, and increase the likelihood of successful publication, co-authorship is often the more rational approach. Both formats can be effective when chosen appropriately. Individual authorship offers independence and complete control over the research process. The co-authorship provides additional resources, diverse expertise, and broader opportunities. In either case, success depends not solely on the format chosen, but on the quality of the manuscript and a well-considered publication strategy. If you require assistance with publication of your research, Scientific Publications works in both cases. We help identify a suitable journal, format the manuscript in accordance with its requirements, provide translation services, and guide authors through the editorial stages without unnecessary stress. And that's all for now. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the current requirements in academic publishing and to achieve your scholarly goals. See you in the next video!